Hi everyone. I'm here with Anaya, and we had a major blizzard today. We got a foot. Some people got over a foot. It was something else. The wind is still blowing and everything. We've been stuck in the house. Work's been called off, and the kids were home from school, so it was oh, I always forget something, and I forgot a diaper. Well, hopefully her diaper will be okay. And I also did put a little bit more stuffing in her, and I think I'm even going to put more. Up in the top. I did put a little bit more in. Not in the shoulders or anything, but just up in through here in the neck. And I don't know, we'll see how it goes. She has her tummy plate on, so maybe that has something to do with it too. I'm sure what I'm going to put on her is going to be really big on her. Yeah, I would have to say it's going to be huge. I hope not too bad. She's going to still wear this little hat. I love this little hat on her. And we'll check her diaper. Hope you guys can see her. There we go. Her little tummy plate I have on her. We'll check her diaper. And it looks fine. Well, you'd have to have the smallest diapers in the world to be able to see that little belly button of yours. Maybe that will work. And we can see her little belly button. There we go. So I hope everybody that got the snowstorm, I hope stayed really warm, safe, and inside. Because today is just for around anywhere that's a blizzarding out. Today is the day to stay in the house. She's so cute. This is the first time I think I've had it like this, actually. And she looks adorable. Very cute. I'll close you up there. I'm one of the ones that, I guess I use the belly plates. I keep them on all the time. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So far I haven't seen anything happening, but or maybe there was something. Maybe that's why I had to stuff her more up here. I don't know. I'm gonna put this on her. It's 3 months, and I know it's gonna be huge, but to try to find clothes, a lot of clothes that as many times as I want to change her. I just don't have the really small stuff. So this is Carter's 3 months, and it's cute. It's yellow, and it has the pink flowers and then like a little ribbon. So we're going to put that on our own. Here's the little feet. They're cute. Has the little bow with the flowers. So we're going to put her in that. Figured the hat would still go and match. Let's see how big this is going to be on you. It's going to be long, I think. Probably would do better if I had little socks on her, probably. It's big, huh? I wonder why. I'm not snapping it properly here. It's big. It's definitely big on her, but that's all right. She looks nice and cozy. Very, very cozy. Oh, well, I guess I'll feed her that way. And give her a bottle. And it's just the Tommy Tippy bottle. And let's see how we're going to do this. As usually she'll actually take this bottle, usually. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, she's drinking good now. Very nice. You're a hungry girl. I still love this kit. I don't know what it is about it, but I love it. She's drinking good. I hope everybody had a good week going this week. Besides all this snow today. Yeah. You gonna give me that bottle? There we go. Give her a burp. There. She's such a darling little thing. There we go. Oh, how cute. How adorable. Oh, there she is, everybody, and I guess I forgot about her pacifier. I was going to put this Differax all yellow pacifier in, but she's taken her thumb, so we'll put that on her later on. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and, oh, I don't know if you can see in the background, right there, there's Elise, and I changed her clothes, and it was off camera, and this is what she has on. I should bring her up to show everyone, because I did this off camera. I was having just dolly fun time. She has her little passing in, and then her bonnet. I'll show you the back of it. It's very, very cute. And, oops. And then she has like a little tutu sleeper on, which is really cute. And it goes all the way around the bum, the ruffles. So, there's Elise. You gonna say hi? Hmm? Say hi to everybody? Yeah? Okay, everyone. Depending on where you are, day or night, I hope you enjoyed the video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.